Alright, what is up guys? I never thought I'd see this day that I'm going to make a video about TikTok, but here it is. TikTok has been absolutely dominating social media as of the last few months. It's been around, I think, for a few years now. It originally started out as Musical.ly, but it is taking over social media, which is crazy because it hasn't really been done for any apps recently. It's kind of been the same few, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Facebook. But TikTok is growing exponentially and it's absolutely insane. So today I'm going to talk about the importance of why you need to be on TikTok. So just for reference, it's March 2020. As you guys know, we live in a digital age. Our entire world is consumed by photo content, video content. We are in the era of sharing and creating. And TikTok is a platform where it just completely favors creativity. And that's not always been the case, so it's super important. And TikTok algorithm actually favors those that are creating quality, solid content that people just enjoy and is helpful to people. It's not just going to be big creators dominating the space. You can have no followers on TikTok and blow up and go viral, and all of a sudden you have an audience overnight. So it's a super, super powerful app now. If you've ever been super passionate about something and wanted to voice it to the world, it's not every day that a new app comes around that's completely dominating the space and gives someone so much opportunity for so much growth and just creating an audience. It's a weird time now where having an audience is something that you can monetize and make a career from, but it is, and it's a super, super powerful thing, and TikTok is giving this to so many people just from making a few little creative videos on their app. You don't even need to leave TikTok's app to make something. If you want to make something in Premiere or on your camera roll or iMovie or something like that, you can, but you don't need to leave TikTok's app to make something that could go completely viral and change your life overnight. So who exactly is this video for, or growing a TikTok? Who is that for? If you're trying to grow a personal brand, if you're trying to grow a company, if you're trying to grow your dad's sandwich shop, if you're trying to be a new up and coming artist, anything, you need to get on social media. We're becoming in an era where you need to be on social media if you want to be doing those things. We're now in a time where there are social media influencers that are more famous than big movie stars, which is such a crazy thing, but that's what the world that we live in. And if you want to grow your business in this space, you need to take advantage of things like this. So in the early stages of an app, it's interesting because not all apps are going to take off like TikTok has. And TikTok has proven that it is here to stay. TikTok is in an interesting place right now because right now their users are exceeding the content that's being produced. All of the videos you put up have such a higher chance of other people seeing them without following you or going viral because there's too many people and not enough content. And obviously that's changing every single day right now. Every single day there's more and more people on TikTok and the numbers are just growing by the millions. However, it is still not too late to start this. It's in the very, very early stages. I wouldn't even say it was really that relevant until the end of 2019. So over the next few years, I do definitely think TikTok's going to be dominating most other platforms. But until the point where there's too much content and not enough people to ingest it, it is such a valuable thing to take advantage of from a personal standpoint, a business standpoint, anything. And because TikTok favors creativity, that's why people can go famous overnight and grow an audience overnight. One viral video can get you an audience. My first video that went like really, really viral, I think to date has about 2.8 million views. And from that, I think I got about 15,000 followers over the course of a week. So it's absolutely insane. And then since that, I had another video go, I think it's almost at 8 million views. And that video has given me like 40,000 followers and counting because it's still growing every day. And it's just the trickle effect. One super important thing to note, and Gary Vee does talk about this, will TikTok be here in 5 years, 10 years? I'm not sure, and to be honest, it doesn't matter because if you're taking advantage of TikTok right now and you're funneling it to my photography business, you're funneling it to your YouTube, you're funneling it to your sandwich shop, whatever you're funneling it to, or your Spotify if you're an artist. While you are on TikTok and while TikTok is relevant, all of the benefits you're gonna get in that timeline, it won't matter if TikTok's here in 10 years because while it is here, you're gonna take advantage of all of that opportunity funneling to every aspect of your business. So it is the perfect time to seize the opportunity while you can because it's not always gonna be here, and once it's oversaturated, It's going to be the same as every other market like Instagram. For example, I've had the same amount of followers for I think over a year now, probably close to 2, but TikTok has just been growing like this. So there's so much opportunity, but you have to get on it right now. And if you're not a videographer, that's totally fine. There's not even that many videographers on it. All you need is a good idea. If you have a life hack, if you want to talk about fitness, if you want to show your music, anything. People just love ingesting the content. And while people may argue that TikTok is just for kids, whatever, that has clearly changed because although it may have started for just kids, there are adults on it now. There's a lot of people in their 20s on it. There's a lot of grandparents on it. And it's just changing every single day. Most apps like this start just for kids, but then the entire population is on it because it's such a popular application. So you don't need to make anything fancy. You just have to have a good idea or good creativity. For example, for what I'm doing right now, I've been focusing since July on growing my YouTube full time. And with this, because my TikTok has been growing so rapidly, I've been starting to do little Lightroom tutorials, little photo hacks, little this, show examples of my photography, and then funnel it to my YouTube, because now TikTok allows link in bios and you can link your Instagram and YouTube. So, and I notice a lot of people doing this. So people are saying, you know, check this out, see more of my Instagram. If you want to, like, if I put up a 15-second tutorial on Lightroom, that's not enough to really ingest it. But if people are interested, they can see it and then it'll funnel to my YouTube for that video or something of the sort. So for one thing, it's just a really fun application. But for two, if you want to look at it from a business standpoint, there's never been a better app or time to seize the opportunity to grow an audience, to funnel people to other aspects of your business or anything like that. Anyways, I hope you found this valuable. I think I'm going to do a few more videos on TikTok because it's such a new, interesting subject, and I know a lot of people are interested on it. So if you found value in this, please like it, and if you want to see more, subscribe. Anyways, till the next video, and thank you for watching.